I bought the tickets from Klook, took Uber from hotel to reach the venue, cost around 700 TWD. The experience was a refreshing one, where the guide explained the eco-cycle of the environment. After the tour, sat down to grill the oysters. It is eat all you can, some oysters are big. The utensils provided is clean. Friendly operators. It was my first time to purchase a Klook itinerary package. The entire trip started from check-in to roasting oysters to boarding the boat to the tour guide to the Wangzalao Trail. I felt the wind and waves of the Taiwan Strait and experienced the blackwater ditch described by predecessors. After returning, let's continue roasting the oysters. The boss said that we can roast them until 1900 hours. During this time, the boss also helped us how to check the doneness and the technique of shelling. He was super enthusiastic. Friends said it was delicious and fresh. The knowledge, fresh oysters, enthusiasm and experience of this trip were great. Everyone is welcome to participate. A sumptuous oyster buffet where we first got to self-grill a free-flow serving of oysters and then were taken on a cruise of the local oyster farms and scenic areas. Recommended. I participated alone as a Japanese person. I participated on Saturday because I thought it would definitely be on weekends. I had asked for a time in advance, so I contacted the local operator, but I was connected to an uncle on site, the owner of the business. So it was Chinese only. It seemed like any time was fine, so I went there before noon. It seemed difficult to get to the site by bus, so I rented a motorbike. Other people came by tour bus or by private car. There was no one participating alone, lol. I ate oysters and spent my time until boarding the boat. When I came back after boarding and sightseeing, there was again an all-you-can-eat grilled oyster buffet, but I was already full from the all-you-can-eat buffet before boarding, so I declined after boarding. It is worth visiting the scenic spot. You can wait for 3 hours. You can go to grill oysters in advance. If you don't grill them in advance, you should arrive 30 minutes earlier than the estimated departure time to avoid group tourists leaving early. The cruise time is about 1.5 hours. It is windy in winter, so remember to bring a hat. The boat will introduce the method of raising oysters on the way, and finally we will board the uninhabited Sayajou Island. It is a great ecological trip. It is very convenient to book tickets online. We arrived at the parking lot around 9:30. After exchanging the tickets, the staff arranged for roasted oysters. We took the Longshan cable car at about 10:45. The tour guide explained in detail and took us to a small chateau. You can still continue roasting oysters after your return trip, and the oysters can be roasted until 6 p.m. at the latest. Unfortunately, we had other plans and left without continuing to roast oysters after landing. Since I arrived early, I roasted oysters first before taking the boat. The lagoon was explained by the humorous professional guide Abe, which really made us cherish this hard-won land of Taiwan even more. After landing, don't forget to take a photo with the cute monk crabs in Taiyang National Park. My girlfriend and I came back and continued to bake. If you don't get tired of eating, you just need to have eyebrows. Such an in-depth experience will definitely make you leave with a full load. Friends who like to eat oysters, oyster emoji, really can't miss it. I'm very afraid of eating oysters. I would spit them out every time I tried them. Because I was afraid of the fishy smell, but my friend liked them so much that I arranged this trip. As a result, I didn't feel sick after eating them this time. There is indeed a difference when you pick it up fresh and eat it now. It is very delicious and slightly sweet. Even I, who don't eat oysters, ate several, smiley face emoji. It's a great itinerary. The tour guide Peter Pan gave a wonderful introduction. He helped everyone take beautiful photos along the way and explained the itinerary very carefully. The grilled oysters provided by Longshan were of good quality and large. The store's waiters were friendly and helpful. The boss is very warm and welcoming. Thumbs up emoji, highly recommended. It's super convenient to buy now and use now. The weather has been quite comfortable this month, not too hot, and the reception staff are very enthusiastic. It was a very enjoyable one-day trip. Macron.